I was going to send out this video just to the used car dealers that I insure, but I decided to send it out to everybody because I think everybody can benefit from knowing this information. So as of yesterday, November 7th, 2021, Governor Kathy Hochul signed into law the Amoros law. And so what this does is it requires used car dealers to provide a certificate that the airbag is working properly in the car, as well as an indicator light that the airbag is working properly. So what happened is back in 2013, 18-year-old Anthony Amoros died in a motor vehicle accident after he had recently purchased a vehicle from a used car dealer that didn't have any airbags at all installed in it. Now I was kind of surprised on this because I thought that the New York State inspection would pick up if your airbag wasn't working properly. But when I looked it up, the New York State inspection is only will indicate if your airbag warning light is on or it's not working properly, but is not a reason for rejection of your inspection. So safety-wise, this law is great. It's going to make great improvements for the safety of everybody. Now for me, I guess I'm kind of curious on what this is going to do to the private seller market for used cars. I know when it's time for me to swap out vehicles, I always like to sell my cars myself because I can get more than I can if I can trade it in to the dealership. But I have to imagine I'm not going to be able to get as much money selling my car myself because I'm not going to be providing a certificate that the airbag's working properly. And so on the flip side too, if I was buying a vehicle and I'm looking at two vehicles from a private seller versus a used car dealer, same make, model, mileage, everything on there, I would probably go with the used car dealer. I mean, it would have to be a big discount for the private party seller for me to want to go with them versus a used car dealer, just because if I was going to buy a car for a child or my wife or somebody in my family, I'd want to know that that airbag's working. So I'm curious what you think. Will the used car market, the private seller used car market, go away or be diminished by this law? And I don't even know what dollar amount that I would buy from a private party anymore difference. $500, $1,000? Would it have to be a $2,000 difference for me to want to go and buy from a private seller? Maybe there'll be a way that some repair shops will provide private sellers with the same certification so they can have that when they sell their cars. So any of the mechanic shops out there, it might be an opportunity for you to make some money on there. So let me know what you think. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.